it on the truth table. So it's a bit daunting. Okay, kapoy kayo na pinagdaghan of variables involved. So the more variables that we have, the more input variables that we have, the more combinations there is in our truth table. Okay. However, kung naratay truth table, dali na lang jud kayo ang pag-extract sa equation using the canonical expressions. Okay, so be it in SOP or POS. So far wala tay questions ra na guys about extracting the expression from the truth table. Okay, dali raman no. Or kung namoy non-canonical expression, how do you plot it back to the truth table? Okay, so kung dili standard o wala maka-canonical format, lisod kaayo siya i-plot sa truth table. Kay muha mang i-consider ta ng possible combination. However, kung naka-canonical format na siya, be it in simplified form or unsimplified, dali ra jud kay i-plot. Kay all we need to think about is ang POS o SOP nga combinations. Okay, kung kanus ata magbantay sa mga zeros when using POS or kung kanus ata magbantay sa mga ones kung SOP. Okay, now to give you a glimpse of the activity that we'll be performing next week, okay, let's have a short discussion about logic gates. And hindi na lang ni nato i-PowerPoint. Okay, kadyot termani. Book asa day ako ang window. Okay. Makita ra guys? Okay, can you see the PowerPoint
Yes, sir.
slide?
Ay, walay PowerPoint, sir. Katurang kuan, MS Teams.
Katurang?
MS, MS Teams, sir. Pagkita, sir.
Wa mo gawas ang PowerPoint niya ra daw. Ay, nagkamang. Okay, sa inyong ubang klase guys, sa inyong online, unsa gigamit ninyo? Nag-Teams ang ubang teachers? Or Google pa ang ilang gigamit?
Google Meet pa, sir.
Google Meet pa. Wala, saan man. Kadyot lang guys ha. Ato asa ni pang end task ni ubang naka-open. Sudan. Kana guys. Makita ra ang gi-share?
Yes, sir. Makita na, sir.
Okay, unsa may nabasahan ninyo sa gi-share?
Logic Gate, sir. Ito yung main
Logic
POS.
gates. Okay. Ito lang i-continue ang atuang discussion from previous meeting. So from previous meeting, we have learned about Boolean arithmetics nga gipanggamit sa atuang topic, okay, which are the AND, the OR, and the NOT gate. Now, let's talk about the logic gates. So basically, naratay idea na what AND gates, OR gates, and NOT gates are, or the so-called inverters. Okay, so essentially, okay, this topic is basically just a continuation gikan dito. Okay, next slide. Okay. So when talking about logic gates. Okay, we use the logic gates basically to implement Boolean function in digital computer circuitry. Okay, this so-called gates serves as the basic building block of digital circuits. Oh, dali lagi siya. Okay, so naitulog ka classification kanang gitawag natong basic, naapoy special, ug naapoy universal. So far ang ato ang mga gipang discuss last meeting was all about basic gates. Okay, so nanata idea about what an AND gate is, what an XOR is, and or rather what an OR gate is and what NOT gates are. So essentially, we already are aware of how the truth table was derived. So kung magtingon tag-AND, unsa gani ni nga electrical circuit ang kapari-parihan ning AND gate nga operation?
Series,
Anyone?
sir.
Series connection. Okay, how about the XOR?
Parallel, sir.
Unstable. Okay, parallel. Saba, parallel. And the NOT, ang equivalent ani is unsa man ang equivalent sa NOT?
Normally closed relay. Relay.
Normally close na contacts, okay, na connections. So hopefully you are still familiar with the gates being used here, the symbols. Okay. Now let's look at this so-called special gates. Okay. So ang special gates under sa logic circuit is composed of two, the XOR and the XNOR. Okay. So basically kung magtanaw ka sa truth table guys, okay, this is an example of an XOR gate with two digital inputs, si X o si Y. Okay. Looking at this, okay, what have you noticed on the output? Namoy na notice sa output? Based on the truth table. So when you talk about XOR, okay, the operation is symbolized by this, okay? Nai circle, then nai plus in the middle, okay? So that's what is the symbol being utilized for XOR operation, okay? Now, if you look at the truth table, okay, kung imuha ni siyang i-express in canonical expression, we can basically say that X complement Y plus XY complement is basically just equal to X, X or Y. Okay? So, pwede nimo ma-derive ang expression. So, kanang naaday kay okay, expression in SOP, X complement Y plus XY complement is just equivalent to X, X or Y. Okay? Is there other way of how we can write the expression? Hello, people. Unsa pay laing way? Anyone? Why, Jude? Hello? Ayo, tao. Daw, lagi mo volunteer. Sige, manawag ta. As I call your name, just open your cam. Okay. So, tawag ko na to si, uy, ato ang bagong classmate, Miss Umiktin. Okay, can you turn on your camera, please, Miss Umiktin? So natay import guys from the night section. Okay, sige Miss Umiktin. What are the other ways of writing the expression aside from x and x or y? So we can also write the expression as x complement y plus x y complement. Could you also think of another way of how we could write the expression? Okay, Miss Umiktin, where are you? Nawag tang imong camera na paong. Hello, Miss Umiktin.
Yes, wala po pag last discussion, sir. Karon po ko naka-join.
Sino mo mo discussion sa night?
Wala pa ko naka-join, sir.
Wala. Pagod na naka-join si Miss Umiktin.
Karon pa, sir, first.
Okay, sige, tagaag chance. Sige, Miss Umiktin, pangita o classmate ni mo dere nga mo'y patabangon ni mong tuban. Sige,
Si Kevin.
Kevin. Sige, Kevin, go.
Sir,
Ah,
kuan na sira ka ng try.
go.
Mo ba lang what unsay pasabot sir sa lain expression kay ako ang nabuon na kay katurang symbol lain nga symbol ba tong apostrophe.
Apostrophe.
Lain nga symbol sir ba kaning di ba babaw kay bar.
So mahimong ingani na. Okay.
Ah,
Plus x, y. Pwede ra pud na. But
salamat.
basically, parehara na siya gi-represent. Di ba? Inversion.
Wala na ako nabuon na sir. Wala pa ko kasabot paglas.
Uy, sige, panawag.
Ngayo tagtabang nang
Okay, pangitag tabang. Nawag og laing classmate.
kasi ganahan mo to. Answer guys.
Ay, nagpangutana. Pangita to amigo nimo.
Si Ivan sir.
Sige, go, Ivan. Ivan. So, Miss Ivan. Ivan.
Kanara pa daw ako nakuha, sir. Kanang naay apostrophe. Dili ka nang naay plus nga circle, sir.
Na plus nga circle. Mao naman ni. Ang ikaduha. Di ba? Mao ni ang una. Nya equivalent ra pud siya ani. Ano to nagamit pang i-discuss na sa meeting? Grabing
Mora sa
pamugal
nauna
na
pa yan, sir.
discussion ato.
Kanang naay barog apostrophe ra pa daw ako nakuha.
Nara po yung barog apostrophe. Di, panawag pa daw laing amigo. Ani na to makitaan kinsay pinaka-friendly nga tao. Okay? Sige. Pangitag laing amigo.
Nga pa bright, sir, na amigo. Si Kwan, sir.
Ani
Sumalinog.
na. Puros mga brightan nan dire, di ba? Lain-lain lang level. Okay? Sige, Suralta. Pamili.
Sumalinog, sir.
Isa si
Sumalinog.
Sumalinog. Na ba Sumalinog ron? Asa si Sumalinog?
Milantan sir.
So absent. Oh, nawag ka. Pa jud diri kaning naa-diri sa tong meeting ron.
Sir,
Nasa Roy, gangisi guys sir.
di ko makita, sir. So,
Na ba ka sa wala lagi sa meeting lagi Sumalinog.
wala, dili pa si Tio, email ang gamit, sir.
Unsa may imong gigamit nga name kay wala ka mag full name.
Direct Sumalinog, sir.
Di lagi na makita ang name. Sumalinog. Sige, go, Mr. Sumalinog. Unsa may mga laing way nga ato aning masuwat ang kaning expression base sa truth table nga gihatag. So this is one way. This is another way. What are the other ways? Kani, asa kani nato ni gibasag guys? Sa unsa ni nga expression? Nalimot na sila.
Canonical, sir.
Canonical. Unsa nga canonical in particular?
Sum of products. Ay, mo ba na, sir? Sum of products.
Products. Okay. So kung naisa mo products, so may balya na niya.
Products of sum, sir.
Sige, go. Get me the product of sum.
Answer. Product of sum. Manawag lang ko, sir.
Friend, hindi sila. Sige, pangitag amigo. Sige, go. Dali.
Canonigo, sir.
Canonigo.
Hello.
Sige, go, Mr. Canonigo.
Other way of writing an answer is x plus y union negation of x plus negation of y.
Sa to?
X plus y union negation of x plus negation of y.
Okay. So that's another way, guys, of writing the expression. Again, di ba? Kung SOP, magbantay ka kinsa tong mga 1. Kung POS, magbantay ka kung kinsa tong mga 0. You get the term of those zeros na output and you get their product. Kung SOP, you get the mean term of the ones, then you get their sum. So that's how you derive the SOP and POS expression. So that's also the same as with your XNOR. Okay, so as you can see, guys, ang XNOR is just the inverse of your XOR. So kung unsa to yung mga nag-1 sa output sa XOR, expected, those will be zeros, igabot ninyo sa XNOR. Okay? So XNOR is mura ra jud gibali ang output sa XOR. Mao na kung magtan-aw mo ni guys ang representation niya, symbolic representation, it's basically just like that of an XOR pero may bubble sa output. So meaning it processes your data just like an XOR, but at the last minute generating the final output, iyahang balihon. And that is the XNOR. Okay? Again, this is the XOR symbol. And this is the XNOR truth table. So again, kung magtanaw ka sa truth table, baliktad ra si XOR. Okay? So dali na ma-derive doon, hinumduman naman ang POS o SOP. Okay, so let's proceed to the next logic gate. Okay? The next logic gate that we have is the NAND gate and the NOR gates. Okay? So kung magtanaw ta sa NAND gate o NOR gate, guys, what does it reminds you of? Okay, anyone? What does that remind you of? Kanang si NAND gate o NOR gate? Wala kaya po mo volunteer? Sige, mangita kong volunteer. Kindly turn on your camera, Miss Mahinay. Miss Mahinay, kindly turn on your camera. Rose, paki-on sa camera, Rose. Kay mabut na si Jack.
Lagi akong location nun, sir.
Naon sa imong location ron? Hello, Rose. We're waiting for you. Please reply. Hayo. Dah, paita. Sinson man tani. Miss mahinay. Murag, hello. Hinay guys ang connection.
Lagi ang hinay, sir.
Murag iyang hinay. Sa inyo ha, okay ra, dili ra lag.
Okay ra, sir.
Okay ra. Ikaw magi naman most bag si Rose. Nakita na siguro si Jack. Sige, let's call on Mr. Felicis. Mr.
Sir.
Felicis. Sige, go.
Kuan.
Okay.
Kuan niya sir kanang ang inigate niya ang an or sir ang kuan.
Inigate niya ang and ug or. Can you give me the appropriate expression for the NAND gate? So may expression na to, ana. Okay. As you can see here, guys, sa to ang expression, okay, it is written as x, y, which is basically kaning part, murag gi-ungate, pero ginigate man siya. So, ang pag-ginigate niya is ang tibuok xy. Same as your x plus y. Complement. So, again, kung magtanaw lang ka diri nga portion, di ba, mura ra siya OR gate. Pero ang final output ana niya, ginigate. Mo nang ay overbar. Okay, so the overbar spans on the operands and the operator used. But let's say kung magtanaw ko sa truth table, unsa may expression, other expression nga ma-derive na ko ani Mr. Felicis. Base ra sa previous nato nga discussion, SOP, POS. But unsa may pinakadali? You wanna call a friend, Mr. Felicis? Sige, call
Yes,
a
sir.
friend.
Mario sir.
Sige, kinsa?
Mario Gabato.
Gabato. O, sige, Mr. Gabato, friend man daw mo ni Felicis.
Yes, sir. Unsa ka tay question, sir?
Hala na kung sa mga taon mo, ganina na ta si istorya diri. Okay.
Ang tingog sigod.
Unsa nga laing expression ang pwede na to ma-derive base sa truth table to represent the NAND gate operation. So we have already written here how NAND gates is generated. Okay, so nara siya ay treatment ng AND gate, then after the AND gate, the overbar. Okay, so may laing way ato ang pwede magamit to represent this gate. So you can also look at the truth table.
Complement, sir. Wala ko
Complement.
kabaw, sir.
Hala, patay mag-exam niya ako ano yung next meeting.
Wala friend na, sir.
Sige, go. Yung amigo ko ani ron.
Si Juan, sir, kanang Cudino, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Kuan sir, pwede mag POS x plus y then overbar.
Okay, so x plus y unya
Bar sa whole equation.
ingani.
Para sa na sir. Para sa kuan 1 din ang output 0.
So kani is a representation or alternative for this. Is that what you meant? Colino? No?
Say murag na sir. Ay wait.
Unya, kaning x plus y niya all over complement mo man ang equation pattern niya para sa x nor. And this truth table is not equal to the one below. Diba?
Ay na kuan din sir. Lain din sir. Kuan din na dapat x prime plus y prime na dapat sir. Ay wait. Ha?
Okay, so that should be x prime plus
Y prime sir. Yes sir.
Diba? Ano man, usara man ni siya ka term. Nya, unsa to kung naka 1 gani siya sa imong input sa truth table, that variable nga 1 is complemented. Okay? Unlike sa SOP. Okay? So, kanipod, as what we can see here, okay, the x nor is represented with x plus y, then the all over complements x plus y. So again, looking at the truth table, can you call another friend, Mr. Codino? Okay? Unsa ka canonical expression ato ang nindot gamiton to represent this truth table?
Kuan lang sir. Tawag lang si kuan sir. Lawrence sir Ibarra.
Sige. Mr. Ibarra, go ahead.
Sir, ano sa question, sir? Di ka madunggan, sir?
Kaning sa example sa NOR gate, okay, unsaon na nato siya pag extract ang iyang equation base sa given truth table. So unsa kay P nakamubo nga pwede nato magamit to represent that gate, the XNOR gate.
Kanang kinalasan sa kuan, sir? Sa table?
Kaning naa diri sa ubos. Okay, kaning naa sa ibabaw, gihimo naman siya ang xy all over complement is basically just x complement plus y complement. How about kani x plus y all over complement? Kung magtanaw ka sa truth table, di ba, makaderive man sa equation dira base sa canonical nga format. So how?
Ano sa pangayoon gid, sir?
Expression. Another expression that can be used to represent that NOR gate. So tanawa ang truth table.
X prime multiplied by y prime, sir? X prime times y prime, sir?
X prime
times
so
y
x prime plus y prime.
Times.
So x prime times y prime. Okay? So kung magtan-aw ta kaning gibasihan ni Ibarra is base diri sa SOP. Ganina ang gibasihan is ang POS. Okay? So from this we can therefore say that xy complement is simply equal to x complement plus y complement. And x plus y all over complement is just equal to x complement y complement. Okay. So those two equations can be written interchangeably. Or basically, when you talk about NAND and NOR, okay, you could also represent this in this manner. Okay? Pero kapan lang, with this one, you will need two gates and o NOT. The same as with this one. Na kay OR o na kay NOT. Whereas when you use this so-called universal gate, this can actually be both on a single package. Okay, so you don't need two IC to perform that similar duty. Kaya naray IC mapapalitan na. Okay, so muna guys ang universal gate. Okay. So we also have this type of gate. Okay. Ang wala mapil kanina, ang tri-state buffer. Okay. So ang tri-state buffer, as you can see, mura ra siya og inverter nga walay bubble. Okay? So missing ang bubble diri sa Y nga output side. Pero na siya additional input o gilibilan siya og E, which basically stands for enable. Okay? So kanus ang na siya mugana? Magdepende sa enable bit. Kung ang enable bit naka 0, as you can see, na ay X, pwede ba din na mag-input og X, sir? Di ba? Abi natog ang input is either 0 or 1. Okay? Now, ang X dira, guys, doesn't represent an output voltage level na high or low. What it represents kanang Z diha, X diha, is just it just means nga dili mo matter ang value ni X. Okay? So, manay pasabot alin diri guys sa kung makita mo X. The gate does not care, okay, about the input on X given that E is 0. E is what we call as the enable bit. Okay? The enable bit when 0 basically outputs ra pod og unknown og ang output sa Y Z, meaning high impedance. Okay? So basically it's neither high or low gihapon na state. But if E is naka 1, meaning naka-enable ang ato ang buffer, kung unsay input, maora pod na mo gawas. Okay? So that's another gate nga wala sa category nato kanina. Okay? So we have already discussed about how you can describe truth table algebraically using the POS, okay, expression. So in this example or in this topic, okay, we will now be describing the logic circuits algebraically. So dili siya magikan lang sa truth table, okay? So gikan na jud sa circuit. Now, ang inyo harang timanan na ni guys, okay? Ang pattern sa AND or and AND. Unless of course it is specified nga naka-XOR siya or naka-XNOR or naka-NAND ba or naka-NOR ba. Okay? Now, let's look at this example. Okay? So in this example, we have a circuit that is composed of AND gates and OR gates. In the first example, how should we write the equation for this? Can we call on this tawagon? Anyone?
AB plus C, sir.
AB. Okay. AB plus C. Okay. How about for number 2? Okay, this is for number 2. How should we write the expression?
C A plus B, sir.
Unsa to? C.
Yeah, open close parenthesis A plus B.
Okay, pwede ibutang sa chat box. Kay murag garbled lagi. So A plus B times C. Oops. Oops. Yara. That. Og na po answer si Ibarra. C. A plus B. Okay? Og giusab din ni Hinon ang iyang answer na himo ng A plus B times C. Okay? Or pwede ra ba guys walay parenthesis? Kanila gi daghag parenthesis sa ibabaw wala ra.
Dili, sir.
Okay, nganong kailangan mo ng parenthesis?
Sa order of operations.
Okay. So, we need to use the parenthesis para makita nato ang precedence. Okay? Now, we already know that multiplication comes first from addition. And of course, what comes before multiplication is parenthesis, then followed by inversion. Okay? Base sa evaluation na itong topic. So looking at this, A times B, okay ra, then gi-OR with C. How come dire naglahi-lahi naman ang answer? Okay? So ang first is A plus B, which is on this part, A plus B. Niya, gi-multiply siya with A. Okay? Niya, dire pod sa ubos, naatay C times A plus B. Niya, napoy A plus B times C. Okay? So since we are working here with multiplication, basically when you say A times B, okay, or B times A, they're basically just equal. Okay? So parihara. So kanisiya, pwede ra na nato ma-tie together. But this and this are totally different from each other. Okay? Kaya nga naman, base sa precedence, bisang pag-ibutangan na nimo parenthesis si A, ang sunod i-evaluate, dili si A plus B, kung dili si B times A. Okay? So, mao na kasagaran, kasaypan. Okay? During exam. You should also know about the precedence of your Boolean operator. Okay? Para kabaw mo when to use the parenthesis or when not to use the parenthesis. Okay? So, mo na siya guys. Okay? Ang atuang implementation sa circuit design. Okay? Now, let's look at this example again. Okay? So, the output of an inverter is equivalent to the input with a bar over it. Input A through an inverter is, example. So, na kay A, niya gi-complement. Okay? Niya gi-OR nato with B. Okay? So, this is your answer. Okay? Niya, pwede po ang inverter na sa output side as shown here. Okay? So, na kay A plus B, naka-OR siya. And then, when you apply the inverter over the output of the OR, everything becomes negated. Okay? So mo ni siya guys. Okay. So for this one, okay, could someone here write the expression for the given circuit? Okay, how do we write the expression? Okay. Kung kana may hatag na circuit, sige daw, i-derive ang expression by just looking at this. Kaya pwede man nimo ma-derive ang expression by putting in there values of ones and zeros. However, since kabaw naman ta what each of those symbol means, we can actually just write the expression directly based on the given schematic circuit. Anyone? Walay volunteer? Babe, ngita taglain volunteer. Let's call on kinsa pa may wala matawag. How about Miss Dagle? Kindly turn on the camera, please. Sige. Okay, so what's the expression? Pwede ra po type sa chat box.
Wala ko
Wala.
chat box,
Wala
sir.
kay chat box.
Editor.
Sige. While gasolbad po si Miss Tagle, kindly call another friend who will also be answering with you para naatay matandi nga answer.
Si Anjo, sir.
Sige. Anjo, paki-on po sa camera para duha mo diri makita natong solve sa problem. Okay. Anjo, pwede po mo mutawag o ika-tulo nga pwede po sulbad para daghan, the more the merrier. Sige, call another one. Nga muon po og ilahang cam.
Si Juan, sir. Kinsa man. Si Ben, sir, Ben. Mandak.
Kinsa?
Mandak, sir.
Umandak. Okay, oh. Sige. Umandak.
Excuse me, sir. No. Ba't doon express tanan, sir?
Isuwat na sa expression. Okay. So imagine guys, this is just very small ra jud ni siya nga circuit. Okay?
That's the that's a four kay T complement circuit. Hmm. Ten. Or
Okay na?
yes, sir. Um,
Sige. Unsa man? Oh, sige guys, ipakita yung answer guys. Okay, you can show it here in front of the cam. Okay. So, first, we have A, B, complement, and C. Okay, so dara. Nya na the A, B, C, nya naka-OR. Okay. And another one nga naka-OR is gikan diri nga naka-AND. With the input C plus D, naka-AND with D complement plus E. Okay. How about inyo ha? Dagle, Lebron? Same ra? O walay focus, blur la kaayo, atras gamay. How about Lebron? Okay. Tura, nataraw na. Okay. Ug kang Lebron, let's try to check. Ipakita, Lebron. Okay. So agree ra, everyone? Okay. So
Yes.
what nabutang ni Lebron ang diri nga side nga gibutang pa niya og parenthesis ang result sa kaniniya. Kaya again, when you talk about evaluation, di ba? Multiplication always comes first sa addition. Okay? So wala ray kaso. Okay? Kay precedence man. Okay? However, to make sure, pwede ra pud na ninyo i-and ang sulod ani niya. Okay? Nga gi C or D nya, D complement or E. Okay. So ingana ra na guys ang strategy. Okay? When you are trying to generate the algebraic expression gikan sa circuit. Pwede ra nimo tagsa-tagsaw ng input generating the output. Okay? And this is it. Okay? And if you want to or if you like to make sure nga kanidyo'y unahon, you can always put an open close parenthesis. But still, because of the precedence of the operations of multiplication, expected nga sila gyapon magkuna compared sa kaning gipang or nga ABC o AB complement C. Okay. Now what if baliktad? Okay? So what if na expression ipa-construct ang circuit? Okay? Kinsa ganito'y last gitawag sa grupo ninyo?
Apo sir, ko'y last gitawag ato sir.
Okay? Kindly call a friend para siya na po'y padrawingon nato ani. We need 3. Sige, pangita lang sa usa and we'll let the the next one worry about whose friend he'll gonna be calling. Sige guys. Umandak? Sige na, panawag nag-friend.
Si
Nahutdan na
Kuan
kag-friend.
lang, si Kuan lang sir, si Gab sir.
Gab, unsog ni Gab.
Akong sangay sir.
Sangay. Kinsa nga Gab, apelido.
Villacampa sir.
Naa ba? Villacampa. Ah, dara, Villacampa.
Yes, sir.
Sige, turn on the camera and also give me another name nga ato ang pansiron pod. Okay? So not necessarily
sir.
guys, friend ninyo, pwede pod crush ninyo. Si kinsa Villacampa ang imuhang gitawag, naka-mute ka.
Diyan, sir. Negre.
Nigre, okay. Nigre, open your camera. Okay, kaniyo kay duha-duha og account. Sige, Nigre, tawag pag-usa.
Si Rex sir.
Rex, unsa man ni? Sumalino. Wa ba ni matawag si Rex kanina? Matawag kung Sumalino kanina. Okay, sige. O, ganahan pa mo gikaupat. Sige. Sumalinog, call another one para upat.
Nyadas, sir. Nyadas.
Nyadas, napas nyadas ron. Nyadas. Tura na adi ay. Sige guys, kani. Usa na lay kuwang Power Rangers na.
Padungag daw ko sa sir.
Saglang upat lang sa kinapan sila ang siranan. Okay, mana. It should not take you a minute to answer this. Dali ra ni siya. Uy, asa naman niya itong tubag, uy? Ninja Turtles. Upat raman kabuok, Ninja Turtles. Michelangelo, Rafael, Donatello, og Leonardo. Unsa na may tubag? Wala pa. Guys? Nigre? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Wala pa? Uy, sa ano lang, next meeting, mag-exam ta. Dapat din maabtan og 1 minute. Okay, prepare. Kani sumalinog para kumana sumalinog. Sige daw sumalinog. Share your answer.
Sir, pwede phone lang, sir. Di makita akong kuhan, sir.
Di makita imuhang.
Pwede sense.
I-chat
Kamulay
mo.
lang.
Murag di mo kaka-attach sa chat. Ang kanirmang registered. Murag si Villacampa Ragniada sa may makapakita. But I think you can...
Ako lang pa-send nila, sir.
Sige. Okay. Dili di maklaro, ipakita nimo sa cam. So malinog, dili makita kung sa cam.
Last chat ka sa malinog, sir.
Sige, i-send na lang sa inyong GC. Okay, so pila ka bok inverter ang makita nato diri nga gigamit. So naay duha ka inverter. One for C and one for B or ADI. Okay. So again, when you are trying to create the circuit, okay, pwede na nimo i-break down into manageable components, di ba? So dire ato ang gibungkag siya according to product terms. Okay? Nya pila man ni kabuok, puros man ni naka-OR. So mo ni ang output. From the OR, gi-break down nato into AC, BC complement, A complement BC. From there, ato na sad ni siyang gi-representan sa sakto nga gate representation. Okay? And this is your final answer. Okay? So take note lang ha. Kung mag-create mo og OR gate, something like this, naadjud na dapat representation kung asa dapita ang output, asa dapita ang input. Okay? So dili pwede naglutaw ang output Dili pwede nga ang teacher may papangitaon asa i-derive ang output. Okay? So butang medyo nag-label asa si Y. Okay, kung ang output ninyo inganion lang ninyo inyong output, di ba? Na yung mga input, asa man ang output ana? Ang teacher pa'y mangita. Kani siguro ang output na diri si Y. Okay? So dapat i-label sa jud na ninyo guys ang output, not just the input. Okay? Sige. So naramay duha. Ang answer day sa uban sayop. Okay, question so far guys before we proceed. Okay, now let's look onto this so-called universality of NAND gates and NOR gates. Okay, so as stated, when you talk about universality, it basically tells us that the NAND gates kuno is a universal solution. So that means pwede ra day ka mag-implement og logic gate nga circuit like this without using or, and, ug not. Okay? You can actually implement this by just with the use of NAND gates ba or NOR gates. And how is that so? So kung magtan-aw ta diri guys, okay, mao ni ang iyahang representation. Okay? So as what you can see, ang inverter di ay pwede ra ma-representan og usa ka NAND gate. What you do is just this. I-connect nimo ang inputs together. Okay? Nganong i-connect man ang inputs together? Because when you do multiplication like this, A times A, okay? Algebraically, you will say A squared, di ba? But of course, we're not using that type of math. We are basically using switches. So kung magtanaw ka sa switches, something like this, okay, ang implementation. Okay? So nakay duha ka A, duha ka A. Kung i-series na nimo, kung mo-on ni siya, mo-on man sad ni siya. Kung mo-off ning usa, off sad ang usa. So mura ra pud siya equivalent to ing ani nga circuit nga si A ray may agdon. Okay? So that is where we got this idea from. Okay? So that means an inverter can simply be represented by a NAND gate. Okay? Kay ngano man day unsa man dining NAND gate? Di ba ang NAND gate is represented as A times A over bar. So when A times A is basically just A, so mura ra kag na yung ani, A over bar, which is basically the expression for an inverter. Okay? Now how about sa AND gate? If we look at the AND gate, tanawa guys, unsa may gibuhat? Di ba ang usa ka AND gate or ang usa ka NAND gate is represented like that of an AND gate nga naay inverter. Di ba? Now, kung butangan pa natog laing NAND gate whose inputs are connected together, it will be like putting two inverters together. Di ba? So let's say kung nakay input A dire, the input A becomes not A. Ikaabot dire, ang not A mahimo na pud ng A balik. Okay, kaya nga naman, makancel man ang epekto sa negation. So mo nang kung nakay duha ka buok NAND gate that were formed like this, nga mura kag naa kay NAND gate whose output was fed to the inputs of another NAND gate, whose inputs are connected together, you'll be generating an AND gate equivalent. Okay? Unya, what about the OR gate? Okay? So ang OR gate, as what you can see here, okay, is equal to A plus B. Okay? Kung naa kayong ani, ngan giun sa man niya pagkahimong A plus B. Okay? Now, one good example of what you can do with this guys is that pwede na ninyo base sa K-mapping. Okay? So if you try to use your K-maps for all the combination gikan sa 0, 0 until 1, 1, you will see nga ang iyang final output ra pod di ay will be something like this. 0, 0, 0, or rather, not 0, 0, 0, sorry. Ang output niya will just be 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay? Kung imuha ning i-trace guys sa truth table. Okay? Sige, you do it on your seat. Yeah. Okay? Mag-quiz niya tani next meeting. Okay? So the same as with the NOR gates. Okay? So pareha ra gyapon idea ni siya. Okay? Sa tuang NAND gate. Okay? So i-tie lang together ang input. So basically, kung narapod kay nakaparallel nga connection, something that looks like this, controlling your lamp, since magdungan naman na siya on, magdungan ra off, then therefore, okay, A plus A will just simply be equal to A. So na may complement, so A complement. So that's why it becomes an inverter. Okay, so kanipod. Ang NOR gate, butangan pa nimo another NOR gate at the output whose input has been tied together, it will produce an OR gate. So mura ba double negation nato guys. Okay? So gikan ma-invert ang output ni OR niya giana pud laing inverter, so mahimo ng OR gate. Okay? So the same with this one. Okay? If you try to trace this on a truth table, A complement plus B complement all over complement, it will actually give you AB. Okay? So kana using truth table approach when trying to prove that this circuit is simply equivalent to this one. Okay? So here is an alternate logic representation when you are working with basic gates and inverters. Okay? So pwede daw na to marepresentahan ang alternate equivalent sa usa circuit nga imuhang gibuhat by moving these bubbles that represents inverters. Let's try to look at this example. Okay? So sa kaning gitawag nato nga bubble pushing technique guys, okay? The rule is very simple. Kung naa kay gate nga let's say AND, if you convert that, ang AND mahimong OR. Kung naa kay OR gate, or mao ba na ang ihang base nga gate, ang OR mahimong AND. Then what about the bubbles? When do we decide when to put the bubbles? So again, ang rationale ani guys is that kung gikan sa original nga AND, walay bubble sa input or output, when you translate that into OR nga representation, you simply put the bubble to where there were none on the original. So in this case, wala may output ug input nga bubble, so you put bubbles on the input ug output sa OR niyang equivalent. Likewise, that is the same for this one, the OR gate. As you can see, input and output doesn't have any bubble. So when it was converted into AND gate, gibutangag bubble both the input and the output. Okay? So mao na siya guys. Okay, so again, you can always verify this using what? Using the truth table, kung equal ba yun. So again, ang idea is very simple. Kung na kay AND nga variant, it becomes OR. As you can see here, na bubble. So therefore, once you translate that into OR, there will be no more bubble. Kato pong mga input na bubble, okay, magka-bubble na diri sa iyang conversion kung sa originally wala. Okay, so parehara pod sa NOR. Okay, so ang NOR mahimong and nya put a bubble to where there were none on the original. So wala man siya output sa input, so magka-bubble siya. Since naman siya outputs, naman siya inverter sa output, dire mawag ta ang inverter. Okay? So mao na siya guys, okay? Representation. Okay? So later we will explain ngano na siya algebraically. Okay? So usually we use bubbles to represent if the input is kanang gitawag nato nga active high ba or active low. There are cases man good when using the system, ang pag-on could either be ang pag-1 or pag-high sa input, or pwede po ang pag-low sa input may makapasiga sa suga. Okay? So when it is the low signal that makes the lamp works, so therefore matawag nato siyang active low. However, ang pag-high na output, okay, mao'y makapatrigger para mo-on ang sa ka-device, then you refer to the input as active high nga input. Okay? So again, these are just concepts kanang active high o active low. Okay? So it basically represents what makes your circuit activate. Ang high ba nga signal or ang low ba nga signal? Okay? So again, representation, ang bubble naman sa output. So we say that the output is active, low. So maybe this type of circuit is connected to an actuator that would turn on when it receives a low signal. Okay? Kanipot is connected to an input that maybe ang pag-low sa input mao'y mo trigger for the output to go high. Okay? Mo nang gitawag siya active low. Okay? Pero kung wala ray bubble, matawag ra nato na siyang active high. So this one, why bubble? Ang input, active high input. Dere, walay bubble ang output, so active high output. Okay. Now, let's look at this one last example, guys. Okay, before we end our discussion for today. Okay, so these are all basic gates, right? Now, I will be implementing this using NAND gate. Okay, so unsa to'y buhaton nato, we can do direct representation. So kaning inverter, di ba, based sa to ang table ganina, could be implement using an AND gate whose input was connected together. Sakto? Hello?
Yes sir, sakto sir.
Okay. Then kani AND gate, kung sa may representation sa AND gate. Ang AND gate is represented by a NAND gate whose output is unsa? Naapay laing inverter. Diba? So ang inverter, something like this, pwede na to siya ma-representan og tingani. How about ang NOR? Okay? Unsa may representation sa NOR? Ang NOR mahimong unsa ganito? And okay, katong bubble pushing, then you put a bubble to where there were none on the original. So walay bubble sa input, wala po'y bubble sa output. So nga na siya ang representation. So asa siya connected? Padong sa A. Then you have here B. Okay. Then asa ni siya padong? There. Yeah, again, OR gate. It becomes an AND gate. And butang taog bubble to where there were none on the original. Okay, now as what we can see here, okay, kani is an inverter, kani is another inverter. So unsa to'y mahitabo guys kung mag-double og inverter? Okay, unsa to'y mahitabo kung nay double inversion? Kung nakay A, gi-invert nimo. Nya, gi-invert pa jud nimo. Mahimo na lang siyang A. So, what we can do is we could actually remove this bubble from this side and also this. Okay, because that would be canceled out. Okay, so meaning pwede ra na siya matangtang to simplify. Okay. So mo na siya guys. Now, what else ang pwede na to mausab? So, kani. Okay. So si A dire as is, there is this inverter. So it is stated that kailangan man nga mogamit og NAND gate. So therefore, pwede na nimo i-extract. Okay? Kaning bubble, pwede nimo tangtangon and replace it with something like that. Nga inverter nga representation. Okay? So asa po may dili por mag NAND gate. So kaning mga input nila. So atoan nang representahan og NAND gate. Okay? So gikan dire. Okay. So we still have one kani inverter. So again, what we do, simplify. So dapat mo gamit yun og NAND gate. So there it is guys. Okay? Now, pila ka book IC nagamit diri? 1, 2, 3, 4 or pila ka book gate? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 gates niyang nagamit diri. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ka book AND gates. Now, apparently, what you'll be thinking is, ganong i-represent man na nato siya into NAND gates lang, sir. Mas mudaghan man hinuon ang gate nga gamiton. No. Dire, again, there are only 4 gates nga gigamit. Dire, sa NAND gate nga implementation, nagamit na hinuon siya og pila ka gates? 7 ka book gates. Okay? Mas hassle na hinuon siya i-construct. Okay? Actually, ang savings ana guys doesn't come from the number of gate connection but sa IC nga gigamit. Imagine kanang sa IC that is 7400 contains upat ka buok NAND gates. So meaning pila ka buok IC sa NAND gate ang ato ang gamiton. You'll only be using 2 IC nga gagamit og NAND gate. Now let's try this one, costing. This is an inverter. That is one IC. This is a NAND gate. That's another IC. This is an OR gate. That is another IC. So pila ka IC ang napalitanan? Tulo. As compared ani, mas daghan siya connection tuod compared sa kaning gagamit og basic gates, pero mas makasave ka diri sa component kay imbes of using 3 ICs, one for inverter, one for AND gate, and one for the OR gate, diri usa ra ka type of IC ang gamiton, 7400. Okay? So sa karon probably di pa ninyo ma-appreciate kay wala pa man mo kasugod og construct, but later ipalit niya na ninyo sa IC guys, mag-construct mong circuit, ana ninyo ma-appreciate nga gamit dai kayo ang kaning idea sa universality of NAND gates and NOR gates, because you can always use NAND gate and NOR gates to replace basic logic gates sa imong circuit. Okay? Question so far? Guys, question so far?
Wala ra,
Hello?
sir.
Wala ra. Okay, now this is the standard logic symbol, okay? Ang IEEE and the ANSI code. Okay? So, muna ato ang traditional ang gagamit, the AND, the inverter, the OR, the NAND, and the NOR. Okay? So, when you go into ANSI standard, this is what
Sir, nawa ka, sir.
AND gate. Kung mogamit aning greater than, equal, mao ni ang OR. Okay? So, more na difference, guys. Okay, so you have here your AND, you have here your OR, you have here your NAND, you have here your NOR. Okay. So I think anha lang sa ta for now, guys. Okay, we'll be continuing.
Sir, nawala ka, sir.
Sir.
Sir? Sir?
Hello, hello. Sige daw, paki-on ko no balik sa cameras, guys. Yun ko ka-change sa design sa room. Okay. Attendance. Okay. Nausab ba inyo ang seating arrangement guys or maura gahapon ganina?
Murag na usab, sir.
Nausap pati ning teams da usubon ng seating arrangement. Nya nakakita ba tanan sa ilang seating arrangement? Wala ra.
Kita ra, sir.
Kinsa tong mga wala kita? Unsay account gamit ninyo? Guest gyapon? Ang uban wala kakita nga gingan ni lahang itsura. O na-share ba ni? Okay. Share na to ang kita screen. Okay. Sige daw. Ingani nakakita mo ingani nga itsura ninyo? Kita dili. Okay, or kanina lang sa may mas nindot itsura diribe. Kanina lang siguro.
Butterfly, sir.
Butterfly kanina lang para murag daw hindi ba? Unsa may nindot design ani? Flower naman eh. Butterfly kanina lang murag mga sirena ug mga okoy. Di man makita tanan. Asa naman tong ubang okoy diri? Wala man. More ni rason nga nung ibalhin tag teams. Kanina lang para formal. Okay? Look, grabe ha. Na iniabot from Titan. Okay. Dulit kay si Miss Umiktinda. Okay. Mausap ba ninyo ang scale sa inyong picture dire guys? Dili. Scaling.
Dili, sir. Magpalayo ra kas camera, sir.
Di din ninyo mausap-usap, ma-zoom in, zoom out ang camera setting. Okay. So anyway, at my count, everyone, 1, 2, 3, say chess. Okay, nganong dako kay ni kang umiktin, uy, natabunan hinoong nas likod. Sinyada, sugkudino, di makita. Nagunsa ka, nag-mobile phone?
Yes, sir. Tayo kayo. Kita tanan ako naon, sir. Nagpagpilina.
Lagi, dulit kayo. O, kanaw, arang-arang, ni gamay man lagi. Na-control, di mo na umiktin, wala.
Wala, sir.
Oh, si Microsoft right nag-auto resize. Lagi. So anyway guys, mao lang sana for now. Okay, padayon lang yata next meeting. Okay. For those nga dili makakita niya or wala pa kasulod kay they are still not able to enter their CTU account. Okay, pwede paki-follow up lang sa CICT guys ang inyong account. Okay, para mahatagan mo og temporary access so that you could change your password. Okay, so agto lang mo sa CCICT. So with that said, everyone, goodbye and see you again next meeting. So next meeting, ato aning sabton unsay paspotan ni nga diagram. Okay, so far we're already familiar with the Boolean arithmetic and or not. Familiar na ta with what truth tables are. Nya familiar na pud ta kung unsay mga logic gates nga pwede nato magamit to build our circuit. Familiar na pud ta how to extract the Boolean expression from truth tables and schematic circuits nga gagamit og logic gates. Okay? So next meeting magpadayon lang niya tani. Okay? Para next week quiz na ta. Okay, nya mag-activity sad ta. Hands-on activity. So please lang pagsugod na mo og pamalit atong mga IC. Okay? So there will be kuan man ni siya 4 groups gihapon. 4 person in a group. Okay? So pag sabot-sabot na lang niya mudaan. Sige guys, goodbye, good day, and God bless everyone. Take care.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir, and good day.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you,
Yes, sir.
sir.